Norwood Hospital is moving on to the next phase of construction. President of Norwood Hospital, Dr. Sal Perla, provides an update on the construction process and the next steps of the project.
Hello, my name is Dr. Sal Perla, President of Norwood Hospital, and we are here today to provide an update on the new Norwood Hospital. We are very excited and thrilled to announce that the foundation work has begun, actually begun quite a while ago, ongoing. We want to talk about some of the details associated with that, which includes the forms, includes the footings, includes rebar, lots of very exciting stuff that is going to be associated with our new campus. So the work associated with all of the forms, footings, foundation work is going to be ongoing for the next few months. Other updates include utilities such as water, sewer, gas, electricity. All of that work is being done simultaneously with all our partners, cities, private companies, and those are going very well. So behind the scene works is mostly architecture, engineering, and there's a lot of work associated with all of those projects. I attend most of the design meetings. That includes participation from our medical staff, from our nurses, from our technicians, from our support services. We typically meet anywhere from 4 to 12 hours a week. We used to meet in the very beginning phases 40 to 50 hours a week, but now we are on the finishing touches of some of the specialty areas like our cardiac cath labs and our ORs and which type of lights. So that work continues. Definitely has, we're reaching our milestones there so that we are in a better situation now to be able to start being able to show more details in the very near future. So I would have to say this is a once in a lifetime opportunity, both for myself, for the medical staff, and for all the staff that are participating. So we as administrators get to work alongside with the staff, but to be able to actually build something from the ground up and be able to design a cath lab exactly the way you want it as a physician or as a nurse or a support staff member is really a huge opportunity. So when you're in that room, and you've been in that room for the last few years, you've always wanted, geez, I wish I would have had a sink over here. Now we're able to do all that and be able to have that opportunity to really build the most state-of-the-art and efficient workspace. So the next milestone, which we're really excited about, is the phase of steel. And for us, the steel will become much more visual than site work and foundation and footings. So the work, as we've mentioned before, we've secured the raw material for steel several months ago, and now we are starting to ramp up the process for fabrication and then ultimately delivery. So as our project starts a new phase, the primary phase of demo and abatement and a lot of debris removal is coming to an end. So as we go from one phase to another, we want to acknowledge all the partners that we had in the first phase, and to make that phase, so to speak, successful really was with a lot of participation. So the town has been extremely supportive, whether it's been in the very beginning phases, such as easements and changing of zoning. Without any of that, we wouldn't be where we are today. So we want to thank all the town officials who have participated in many late night meetings to get us to where we are today. We want to acknowledge the fire department, who's been with us every step of the way, the police department, who continues to assist with traffic patterns. If you come in and out of any of the streets around the campus, there's large construction vehicles entering and exiting, and the police department has been helping us with traffic patterns, so a big thank you to them as well. And then lastly is the contractor doing the work, all coming through Suffolk, who has been amazing, but for us, Costello has been in charge of the demo and abatement and all the debris removal, etc. So we want to thank them for their participation as we head on to the next phase in construction. Also, just want to do a special thank you to NCM, who has been our communication partner through the entire process, and I know they've committed to helping us through this process for the next couple of years. So thank you so much for everything you're doing to allow us to be able to effectively communicate to the town of Norwood and the neighboring towns. The main number to the hospital continues and will continue to be active. So if there are questions or concerns regarding the construction, most importantly for our neighbors, they can call the hospital's main number at 781-769-4000.